why did they do it, and do you think it's a good idea?
The reason the southern states wanted the slavery. They were in the time of slavery, and they wanted each slave or each black person to be counted as one whole person. But for problems when it came to like taxes and distribution and stuff. But in other stuff, they thought of them as less than human. So the Northerners didn't think that would be fair, so they put them down as 3/5 of a human population. So they wouldn't be counted as one whole person, but as if they put all of them together, they would cut down the numbers.
Does anybody else want to talk about it? Do you think that was a good idea? Was that a good compromise? Was it a bad compromise?
Well, generally, in my opinion, calling anyone less than a person is not good. But during the time, African Americans were considered less than a person. So, if you thought like with a mindset of that time, I would consider it, yeah, pretty good.
Okay.
Now you guys know that because of the compromise, every state's got 2 U.S. senators, right? Do you think that's fair? I mean, Virginia's a pretty big state, we have 2 U.S. senators, but there's some small states like Rhode Island or Delaware that have much smaller populations, they still get 2. Is that fair? Would you like to change that?
I think it's fair because it's every state, no matter its size, it needs representation, no matter its population, because it doesn't matter how many people there are, because maybe there's a state with like a lot of people, but with no ideas, but then there's the state with so many ideas. So it doesn't really matter how big the state is and how populated it is. It's like every state needs the equal people, equal like representatives, because it's just fair that way. Maybe it's not explanatory, but it's like every person is the same, right? So it should be the same for every state, because that's.
I agree with Vishaka because the House of Representatives already have proportional representation since the Senate has 2 representatives. So it's bad for both the large and smaller states.
I disagree with that because, like, when you look at Virginia, we have a really big population, and so we might need more. We might need more stuff, like more money or more stuff that when it comes to like our schools and everything. So whereas you see smaller states such as Delaware, like you said, they don't need as much as we do. So they should have, like, let's say 2 senators, but at least Virginia has 1 more, because then they can have more say if they need more stuff than what other states want.
I politely disagree with Betty, because suppose this room, it has a larger population than the room next to us. But what if this room doesn't have that many problems or that many ideas that it wants to say? So it doesn't matter if this room has more population. And like if that room has a less population, it has more ideas and more, so it will need more representatives.
I agree and disagree. That's why I like the bicameral legislature, because there is proportional, like, population-based representation and like equal representation. So like both houses have like equal say. Like no state can say they have less say because they do have enough say.
I heard you say in your opening statement that the New Jersey plan was kind of similar to that Article of Confederation plan from the beginning. Why? Can you give me some examples of why that didn't work when it was the Articles of Confederation? What were some of the problems with that?
There wasn't a court system. That was a huge problem. And the government, the central government did not have a lot of power, so it couldn't
both of them were just, even though I stated the advantages, I do not think that had that many advantages as had disadvantages. Because it might allow trade, it might allow it might have introduced our two main branches of government, but it followed so many ideas of the Articles of Confederation. And they just tried to improve the Articles of Confederation, and that was impossible because as Louise I think stated once in her argument that there were too many ways, so they had to start over. So it would be impossible to improve